In this video, we are going to see grammar, transformation of sentences, affirmative to negative sentence. Transformation of sentence. What is meant by transformation of sentence? To transform means to change. Change the one sentence pattern into another sentence pattern without changing its meaning is the transformation of sentences. To transform a sentence, the form of a sentence should be changed without changing the meaning. Before going to transform affirmative into negative sentence, let me clarify the difference between affirmative and negative sentence. What is meant by affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence is a positive sentence, a simple statement ending with full stop which has positive sense, positive meaning is called affirmative sentence. No, never, none, nothing. Such kind of words, such kind of negations are not used in affirmative sentence. What is meant by negative sentence? A sentence with negative words such as not, never, nothing, none, etc. This sentence has negative meaning. So this is the difference between affirmative and negative sentence. Ways of transformation. By using opposites, by using fail to, by using degree of comparison, and by using remove to, we can transform sentence affirmative into negative. Students, let's see. First way of transformation is to use of opposites. For example, it is impossible. Answer, it is not possible. We used opposite of impossible with not. It means in first sentence there is impossible. What is the opposite of impossible? Possible. With not. It means not possible. It means impossible. The meaning is same. Meaning is not changed. Example, this is very hard structure. Answer, this is not very soft structure. Here, hard. Opposite of hard, soft. We used the opposite of hard with not. Not soft means hard. Hard means not soft. So answer is, this is not very soft structure. It means by using opposites, we can make affirmative into negative. Second way of transformation is use of fail to. Let's understand through examples. First one, we saw movie. Answer, we didn't fail to see movie. The given statement is in past tense, so we used did, didn't. Saw, it is a V2 of see. It is a past tense, so we used here didn't. We didn't fail to see movie. We, then there is a saw V2, so we used here didn't fail to. Then V1 of saw is to see movie. Second example, he plays cricket. Here V1 plus yes or yes with main verb. So he does not fail to play cricket. Second sentence is in simple present tense. So here with main verb there is a yes because subject is he. So in answer we used does. He does not fail to play cricket. In this way, by using fail to, we can make affirmative to negative sentence. Third way of transformation is use of remove to. First example, the news is too good to be true. Answer, the news is so good that it cannot be true. Sorry, here I did not use so, but here is so. You have to remind it. The answer is, the news is so good that it cannot be true. Second example, he was truthful to do that job. Answer, he was so truthful that he could not do that job. Here first sentence is in present tense, so we used cannot. And second sentence is in past tense, so we used here could not. In this way, by removing to and using so that, we can make affirmative to negative sentence. Next way of transformation is use of degree. By using degree of comparison, we can convert affirmative into negative. Let's see some examples are here. 1. Birbal was wiser than Akbar. It is a comparative degree. We can make positive degree by using not. Akbar was not as wise as Birbal. Though we used not in positive sentence in positive degree, but meaning is not changed. Birbal was wiser than Akbar. It means Akbar was not as wise as Birbal. Second example, Riya is more beautiful than Seema. It is comparative degree. How to convert it into positive degree? By using not. Seema is not as beautiful as Riya. Here we used not in positive degree, but meaning is not changed. Riya is more beautiful than Seema. It means Seema is not as beautiful as Riya. This way, by using degree of comparison, we can transform affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Here I have given some examples for practice. You have to solve these examples. First one, he speaks too fast to be understood. Second, I am bigger than my sister. Third, they learnt lesson. 4, he is timid. And 5, this tree is too high to climb. You have to solve these examples by using different ways of transformation. Besides these ways of transformation, there are some other ways also able to transfer affirmative sentence into negative sentence. I have given here only 4 ways of transformation to change affirmative into negative sentence. Some transformation ways remain, so I will give them in another video. Thank you.